Okay, Betsy's taking off the whole plexiglass and she just unscrewed
Yep.
the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yep.
What do you call it? Screws. Okay.
And then,
All right. And then
there's the screen.
there's a screen. Okay.
It's really very simple.
Okay.
It's just that part was the hard part, and
Yeah.
that's, I think the plexiglass, if I'm still here next summer,
Yeah.
I'm gonna replace this.
Okay.
Because
Yeah. So basically, to turn it on, to put the AC into this thing is you just put this whole screen up there, and that's it.
Yeah,
Because
that's it. Yeah.
everything is connected already.
Yeah.
Okay, great. That's it, yeah, Betsy?
Yeah, that's okay.
Pretty much it. Okay.
Oh, wait.
And all you need is a Phillips screwdriver.
Yep, so that's all you need.
Okay. Thank you. It's a minute video on how to put the AC unit into the window. Thank you.